Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. I'm Nerdis, a web designer, and I'm glad you're watching this video. Today we're going to learn how to install WordPress. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few steps. First, you need to download the main WordPress file from wordpress.com/download. It's about 25 megabytes and will download as a zip file on your computer. After downloading the file, you'll need to log into your hosting account. Most websites use either cPanel or direct admin. In my case, I'm using cPanel. This is the cPanel interface, and here you'll want to look for the file manager option. Click on it, and when the page opens, click on public underline HTML. This folder is basically the root of your website, where your homepage will be located. At the top of the page, click on the upload button and drag and drop the WordPress zip file that you downloaded before. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Once it turns green, close the window and go back to the file manager and click reload. You'll see that the zip file has uploaded successfully. To continue, right click on the file and select extract. Now the necessary files are in your website's root directory, but we need to make a small change. Go into the WordPress folder and select all. Then click move and delete the word WordPress so that the files are moved to the main root directory. Now go back to the root directory and select the wordpress.zip, license.txt and readme.html. Then click delete. To completely delete the files and free up space on your hosting, check the skip the trash box and confirm. That's it for this part. Now go to your website URL to continue with the rest of the installation process. First, choose your preferred language and click continue. You can skip the next page and just click let's go. Now we need to connect WordPress to your database. Go back to cPanel and look for manage my databases. Click on it. In the first option, choose a name for your database. I'll use WP to show it's for my WordPress site. Click create database. Your database is now created. Go back to the previous page. Next, we need to create a user for our database. In the add new user section, choose a username and create a strong password using a password generator. Click create user and go back again. The last step is to connect the user to the database. Click add in the add user to database section. Check all privileges to grant full access to your database user and prevent future issues. Click make changes. Now go back to your website's main page and copy the database name, username and password into the correct fields. You can ignore database host name and table prefix, then click submit. In the next step, click run the installation. Here, enter your site's title, create a username and password for the admin area, and enter your email. Finally, click install WordPress and you're done. Now you can log into your website's admin area using the username and password you created and enjoy your newly installed WordPress website.